My name is John Reese, and I've been in the lightweight industry for about 30 years. We change a raw material, which is shale, clay, or slate, into a lightweight aggregate, which can be used in construction, it's used in concrete, used in all other kinds of aspects. Firing the material, we make it lighter. And making it lighter means a lot, because we make buildings lighter. And therefore, when you take all this weight out of the buildings, you can save all kinds of energy in the steel structures, the foundations, and the end result is this net energy reduction by using our product.
I'm Spencer Guthrie. I have a PhD in pavement materials, and I've spent the last 10 years studying this topic, especially in cold climates. Internal curing provides a lot of benefits for bridges. Our field data clearly show that the use of internally cured concrete reduces cracking. Our laboratory data clearly show that the use of internal curing reduces the penetration of harmful chemicals like chlorides that we necessarily apply to the bridge decks during winter in Utah, for example. Internal curing should be a strong consideration for any project where crack-resistant concrete is needed.
By making the material lighter, it absorbs water. And so before you put it into concrete, it absorbs the water, and then once it's into concrete, it releases the water. And that's what's called internal curing. It cures the concrete from the inside out. And better hydration means better concrete, longer lasting concrete, more durable concrete. And so that's what pays it off in the long run. You just get better hydration.
The bridge decks that incorporated the Ute-Lite lightweight aggregate experienced significantly less cracking during the first several months following construction. Specifically, after 8 months, my research team performed a distress survey where we counted and quantified all of the cracking on all of the decks. And we found that the conventional decks, those without the Ute-Lite product, exhibited more than 20 times more cracking than the internally cured decks.
There's probably been 130 research reports written on internal curing. It's very extensive and it dates back to the mid-50s. It points to the fact that internal curing makes concrete better.
In my experience on the construction side, the construction crews are not able to distinguish any differences, any meaningful differences between conventional concrete and internally cured concrete.
It's not about strength, it's about durability. If you get better hydration, you get better concrete.
When chlorides in particular penetrate a concrete surface, especially a concrete surface with reinforcing steel, this kind of damage can occur. When chlorides accumulate in critical concentrations around the reinforcing steel, corrosion occurs, and the presence of rust generates significant expansive forces inside the concrete that lead to delamination of the concrete as shown here. The use of internally cured concrete will reduce this effect in two ways. Number one, it reduces the amount of cracking that occurs, and number two, it reduces the overall permeability of the concrete so that chlorides cannot as easily penetrate.